Concerned about the safety of your little one and the ever-present buzz of technology? You're not alone. Many parents worry about the potential health effects of electromagnetic fields, or EMF, emitted by baby monitors. Electromagnetic fields are invisible areas of energy, often referred to as radiation. Baby monitors emit EMF, which has raised concerns due to potential health risks, especially for infants who are more susceptible to environmental factors. There are 3 main types of baby monitors: analog, digital, and Wi-Fi enabled. Each type has its pros and cons, including varying levels of EMF radiation. Analog monitors generally emit lower EMF levels, while Wi-Fi enabled monitors emit higher levels. To help you navigate EMF levels, we've developed the Baby Monitor EMF Calculator. Input the power output, distance, and frequency of your baby monitor to calculate the EMF power density in your baby's environment. This tool helps you make informed decisions. 1. Use a low-emission baby monitor. 2. Switch off wireless devices like Wi-Fi routers at night. 3. Use EMF protection products like harmonizers to reduce radiation effects. Taking these steps can help create a safer